Hi, this is Paul Lam. Today I'll go over a dashboard and reporting system for the quick service restaurant industry. Quick service restaurant is like a Wendy's or McDonald's where they have many locations and they're serving food to many customers. With Wendy's you're talking like 6,000 locations. What this system does is it automatically collects the data from each store from the different point of sale systems and sends it to a central site where the data can be made available for reporting on different devices including mobile. And so these are some of the KPIs that will be shown in the demo. So the dashboard, what this dashboard has is daily sales. So if yesterday was Wednesday, you would see the daily sales and you'll be able to compare the sales yesterday to last week, the same day, and also to the same day last year of the corresponding week. You also see the week-to-date sales to see how you did this week versus last week to date, also versus last year, the same week to date. And then you can also see how your store is performing year to date, this year versus last year. You can see all this data for all your stores if you have how many there are, and you can also group your stores so that into regional reporting. This example here shows a chart. The blue column is the average sales by day, Monday to Sunday, and the red bar is the sales this week. So as you can see, we're kind of trailing our average sales so far this week. And this other chart here is just the weekly sales for 2 years. Generally, you want to see your sales going from left to right, trending up. If you click on the store, you would see more detail. You can find out the top selling items in that store, for example. You can find out the sales dollar-wise and also how many plates of certain items that we sold. And you can also see by the time of day, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. for example, if you open that time, how much sales you did throughout the day, how many hours you worked, and what was your sale per labor hour that you were working. And also you can also look at how many items were sold by different times of day. For example, the blue item here is Hawaiian barbecue mix. It does well on lunch and dinner. And then there's another item maybe that did well at lunch but then not so well at dinner. So just to recap, we're able to see all of these metrics: daily sales, week to date, year to date versus last year and last week. You see the total sales by item, by time of day, hours worked by time of day, total sales, and also item sales by time of day. All that in two pretty much dashboards. What are the other possibilities? You can do sales by square foot, sales per rent, rent changes over time. You can do transaction count, which is customer count. You can do item management, maybe combo deals, inventory, shrinkage. You can also track promotions. You can, with point of sale data, you can track responses to promotions. You can also do profit calculations. If you have enough data, you can track and predict profitability by including costs of ingredients and labor data. For example, what if I increase the menu price if the cost of goods or the labor increases or decreases? How does that affect my profitability? So this type of what-if analysis can be done quickly because we have data on all the ticket items that were sold. So you can easily do what-if analysis. As I mentioned, you can do group reporting. You can group the stores into regional, by island, by state, even by country or by metro. And you can compare one store versus another, or you can compare one store versus a group average. You can track manager performance. Did the store performance improve under new management? These are all essential tools for growing and managing a franchise that can grow into thousands of locations. So as you can see, it's quite powerful. And once you have the data, you can we can open up more reporting. If you're interested in finding more, please contact me, Paul Lam, at this email address, or you can also contact Ron Lee at beihawaii.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.